In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free shipping discount in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable free shipping offer that your customers can use at checkout with a promo code, and you'll know exactly where to set it up and what each option means. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard for the site you want to edit. From the main menu, head to Commerce and then Discounts. If you don't see Commerce, check under Marketing, and you'll find discounts there as well. In the Discounts panel, click Add Discount in the top right corner to start a new offer. This is where all of your promo settings will live, so it's a good habit to keep your naming clear and organized. When prompted to choose a discount type, you'll see a few options like percent off, amount off, buy X, get Y, and free shipping or local delivery. Select free shipping or local delivery. This tells Squarespace that the promotion you're creating will reduce shipping charges to 0 when it applies. Now let's configure the promo code version of free shipping. Give your discount a clear name so you can recognize it later in your list of discounts. You can match this internal name to the code customers will enter, or keep them different for your own tracking. Next, confirm the discount type is set to free shipping. This ensures the promotion targets shipping costs instead of reducing product prices. Decide whether the free shipping applies to all orders or only to orders that reach a minimum subtotal. If you want to encourage larger carts, choose a threshold and enter the amount, for example, orders over $50. That subtotal typically refers to the value of items in the cart before shipping is added. Setting a threshold is a simple way to protect your margins while still offering a strong incentive. Enter the promo code your customers will type at checkout. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Consider something straightforward so it's simple to share in emails, banners, and social posts. Double-check for typos and consistency, then save your discount. After saving, do a quick test. Add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and apply the code. You should see the shipping cost drop to 0 when the code and any threshold requirements are met. If it doesn't apply, confirm you selected the free shipping type and that your cart meets the minimum you set. That's it. Your free shipping promo code is live and ready to use. Squarespace also supports automatic free shipping, but this setup focuses on the promo code method so customers enter it at checkout.